Expensive 3D software has long been the gold standard for professionals in animation, game development, engineering, and digital art. Industry giants like Autodesk Maya, SolidWorks, and ZBrush dominate their respective fields, with price tags that can stretch into the thousands. But in recent years, free alternatives like Blender, FreeCAD, and Godot have been making serious advancements. With these open-source and budget-friendly options becoming more powerful than ever, it raises a critical question. Why do professionals continue paying for premium software? And more importantly, is it actually worth the cost? Maya has been the backbone of the animation industry for years, used in everything from major Hollywood blockbusters to AAA video games. Its advanced rigging system, industry-wide compatibility, and deep integration with other VFX tools make it the go-to software for professionals. However, with an annual subscription cost of nearly $2,000, it's an expensive investment, especially for freelancers and small studios. Blender, on the other hand, has been rapidly closing the gap. Initially seen as a hobbyist tool, Blender's recent updates have introduced powerful features like geometry nodes, grease pencil, and improved sculpting tools. Some smaller studios have even started switching over, citing Blender's ever-expanding capabilities and cost savings. While Maya remains the dominant force in professional animation, Blender is proving that a free alternative can compete at a high level, especially for indie creators who aren't locked into industry-standard workflows. For mechanical engineers and product designers, SolidWorks has been the undisputed leader in CAD software. With its parametric modeling, stress analysis tools, and widespread industry adoption, it's the go-to software for designing everything from consumer electronics to aerospace components. But with licensing costs that can exceed $5,000, SolidWorks is far from accessible for students, hobbyists, or startups trying to break into the field. FreeCAD, an open-source alternative, offers a more affordable way to dive into CAD design. While it lacks some of SolidWorks' high-end simulation features and intuitive interface, it's a surprisingly capable program for parametric modeling. For those working on personal projects or small-scale designs, FreeCAD provides a solid foundation without the steep financial commitment. However, for engineers working in large-scale manufacturing, the investment in SolidWorks remains justifiable due to its extensive tool set and industry-standard status. Fusion 360 is another major player in the CAD world, offering a cloud-based platform with parametric modeling, generative design, and simulation capabilities. Unlike SolidWorks, it provides a free license for hobbyists, students, and startups earning under a certain revenue threshold. This makes it one of the most accessible professional-grade CAD tools available. While it lacks some of SolidWorks' advanced features and long-term offline support, it's an excellent option for those who want professional tools without the high cost. On the free side, Tinkercad is another option for beginners, offering a simple, browser-based 3D modeling experience that's particularly great for educational purposes and quick prototyping. In the world of digital sculpting, ZBrush reigns supreme. Used by character artists in game development, film production, and collectibles manufacturing, ZBrush is famous for its ability to handle millions of polygons without lag. It provides an unmatched level of detail, making it the go-to tool for professionals creating high-resolution sculpts. But at a cost of $895, it's not exactly budget-friendly. For those looking for a free alternative, Nomad Sculpt is a surprisingly capable mobile-based sculpting app that has gained popularity among hobbyists and professionals alike. Though it lacks some of ZBrush's powerful tools and resolution capabilities, its intuitive interface and ability to sculpt on an iPad make it an appealing choice for artists who want to work on the go. Another strong alternative is SculptGel, a free web-based sculpting tool that offers basic digital sculpting capabilities. While it's nowhere near as advanced as ZBrush, it provides an easy way for beginners to experiment with digital sculpting without any financial commitment. Game development is another space where expensive software has long been the norm. Unity and Unreal Engine are the dominant forces in the industry, each offering a robust set of tools for creating everything from small indie games to massive AAA titles. Unreal Engine is particularly notable for its cutting-edge graphics, real-time rendering capabilities, and cinematic quality visuals. While Unreal is technically free, it takes a percentage of game revenue beyond a certain threshold, making it a costly choice for successful developers. Unity's licensing changes in recent years have also led to backlash, with many indie developers searching for alternatives. Enter Godot, a completely free, open-source game engine that has been growing in popularity. Though it lacks some of the visual fidelity of Unreal and the widespread asset marketplace at Unity, Godot's lightweight design, flexibility, and lack of revenue-sharing requirements make it an appealing option for independent game developers. Another interesting alternative is Armory 3D, an open-source game engine that integrates directly with Blender, allowing seamless asset creation and real-time game development. While it's not as feature-rich as Unreal or Unity, its integration with Blender makes it a compelling option for those already using open-source tools. For architectural visualization, 3ds Max and Rhino have been industry staples for years. 3ds Max is favored for its rendering capabilities and extensive library of plugins, while Rhino is renowned for its precision modeling and ability to handle complex geometries. Both, however, come with hefty price tags. Free alternatives like Blender, with the right rendering plugins, or SketchUp Free provide accessible ways to create architectural models and visualizations. SketchUp, in particular, is great for conceptual design and quick iterations, though its free version has some limitations compared to its pro counterpart. For those interested in 3D printing, software like MeshMixer and Prusa Slicer offer powerful, free tools for preparing models for printing. MeshMixer, developed by Autodesk, provides mesh repair, support generation, and sculpting tools that make it invaluable for 3D printing enthusiasts. Prusa Slicer, developed for Prusa's line of 3D printers, is an open-source slicing software that supports a wide range of printers and offers advanced print optimization features. These free tools allow creators to prepare high-quality prints without investing in expensive proprietary software like NetFab. So, is expensive 3D software actually worth it? The answer depends on who you are and what you're creating. If you're working in a professional studio where industry-standard tools are required, investing in premium software is almost unavoidable. The compatibility, advanced features, and support networks that come with expensive software often justify the cost for businesses that rely on them. However, for freelancers, students, and indie creators, free alternatives have never been more powerful. Blender, FreeCAD, Fusion 360, Nomad Sculpt, Godot, and many other open-source tools offer a level of accessibility that was unthinkable just a decade ago, making it possible to create high-quality work without spending a fortune. As free software continues to evolve, the gap between expensive and budget-friendly options is closing. For many creators, the best tool might not be the one with the highest price tag. It might just be the one that lets them create without financial barriers.